Are you doing everything right, eating healthy, staying active, but you're still struggling with weight gain? Especially now in menopause. It feels like nothing works, right? You're not alone. And it's not your fault. In fact, what you think is helping could actually be slowing your metabolism down even more. Keep watching, because in the next few minutes, I'll explain why this is happening and, more importantly, exactly what you can do to reset your metabolism and start seeing real lasting results. And if you're tired of feeling stuck and ready to take control, I have a few spots available for a free call. We'll create a tailored plan so you can finally understand how to lose weight while in menopause and actually keep it off. But don't wait. I only have a few openings, so go ahead and book a call using the link in the description, or comment call below, and let's get you moving towards the results you've been searching for. Now, let's start by talking about why your metabolism naturally slows down after 40, especially for women in perimenopause or menopause. Our bodies lose muscle mass with age, which means fewer calories burnt at rest. And with menopause symptoms like hormone fluctuations, especially changes in estrogen and progesterone, weight tends to shift, often showing up around the stomach and thighs. On top of that, if you've been following a restrictive diet or cutting carbs, it's likely that your body has adapted to fewer calories, slowing down your metabolism even more. And this is why so many women in perimenopause find themselves wondering how to stop menopause weight gain without extreme measures. The solution, as we'll discuss, isn't about eating less or exercising more. It's about working with your body's new rhythm to reduce weight in menopause effectively. I know you've probably heard people say, just eat less, move more. But for women over 40, particularly in menopause, that's often the very advice that's holding you back. Eating too little can actually slow your metabolism further, leaving you feeling sluggish and making it harder to lose that stubborn weight gain in menopause. The good news is that how to lose weight in menopause doesn't have to be about cutting out carbs or extreme diets. In fact, eating enough of the right foods, balanced nutrients that actually fuel your body can make a world of difference. If you're feeling frustrated, like nothing is working, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you've tried, and we'll dive into a specific solution that can work for you. If this is resonating with you and you're thinking, that's me, then comment help below, or better yet, book a call so that we can get specific about your goals. I work with women exclusively in this stage, so I understand these unique challenges. Spots fill up quickly, so if you're serious about finding a real solution to actually stop menopause weight gain and finally feel in control, now's the time to reach out. Now, let's talk solutions. When I work with clients, we focus on three main pillars: balanced nutrition for metabolism reset rather than restrictive diets. We focus on balanced macronutrients, especially adequate protein to preserve muscle and boost your metabolism after 40. It's not about eating less, it's about eating smart to support your body's need. Targeted strength training. Strength training is essential, not for burning calories directly, but for maintaining muscle, which is key to a higher metabolic rate. This is one of the best ways to lose weight during menopause without overstressing about your body. Hormonal support and sustainable eating. We target foods that naturally support hormonal balance and reduce inflammation, creating a lifestyle change that works with your body. This is how to reduce weight in menopause in a way that's sustainable and keeps it off. This is about creating a sustainable, enjoyable lifestyle change. You're not just looking for how to lose weight in menopause quickly, but also how to keep it off long term. This approach is for real results that don't fade. Let me share a quick success story. One of my clients came to me after trying all the fad diets out there: low carb, low calorie, keto, intense workouts, and was absolutely exhausted. Together, we focused on a plan tailored to her age and her metabolism needs. In just a few months, she started losing the weight gain menopause had brought on. Her energy increased, and most importantly, she regained control over her body. This is the power of a custom plan that's built for you. If you're tired of feeling stuck, constantly wondering how to lose weight during menopause, or why nothing's working, this is your moment to take action. Book a call with me today, and let's create a plan that truly supports your goals. Spots fill up fast, and I only take a few new clients each month to give you all the attention you deserve. Don't wait. Click the link in the description or comment call below and start your journey to a healthier, more energized you. Remember, if your metabolism feels sluggish and you're dealing with stubborn weight gain menopause has brought on, there's hope. Resetting your metabolism after 40 is possible, and it doesn't require extreme diets or impossible workouts. Comment below and let me know what's worked for you or hasn't worked for you. And don't forget to book a free call if you're ready for a real change. And be sure to watch this next video.